Welcome guys, and this is Loganathan. And yes, so today we are going to see this Leetcode problem, that is Roman 2 integer. Okay, so let us understand the scenario first, what they have given. So we know this Roman numbers, right? So I capital E is for 1 and V is for 5, X is for 10 and L is for 50. And C is for 100, D is for 500 and M is for 1000. Okay, so this is the thing. And the thing is, we need to understand that when X is succeeded, that is when you get I after X, then it is going to be 11, right? That Xi is going to be 11. But whenever you are getting I before X, then it is going to be reduced 1, that is 9, right? So likewise V, whenever you are getting a I after V, then it is going to be 6. When you are getting a I before V, then it is going to be 4, right? So now the scenario is here, we are just going to give, they are just going to give a number in as a string object, and we are just going to convert that into an integer number, and we are just going to print that integer number, sorry, return the integer number. Okay, so how we can do that? Yes, let's try once. So these are the conditions, these are the main conditions what we have. Okay, say I can be placed before 5, right? Then it is going to be 4, right? And when I is placed before X, then it is going to be 9. Likewise, when X is going to be placed before L, then it is going to be 40. And when X is going to be placed before C, then it is going to be 90. That is reduced by 10. Okay. So this is what actually. So let's try this, and we will try to code this, and we will get the solution. Okay. So here we are using Python program. Okay. So now we have this symbol and value, right? So for this symbol and value, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to create a dictionary. Okay, so I'm just going to create a dictionary which is num. Okay, so in this dictionary I'm just going to give these symbols I as a key, and for that 1 is going to be the value, right? So next one, when it is V, then it is going to carry the value 5, right? And next one, when it is X, it is going to carry the value 10. Another one, when it is L, it is going to carry the value 50, right? And the next one, when it is C, it is going to carry the value 100. And the other one, when it is D, it is going to carry the value 500. And when it is M, it is going to carry the value 1000, right? So I have created a dictionary. Now when user gives a number, what we are going to do is we are just going to get the values from this dictionary, and we are just going to add this. But you have these conditions, right? When a number is, when I is before V, then it is going to be reduced O, right? When I is before 10, that is X, then it is going to reduce 1, right? So what we are going to do is, here we have these 4 conditions, right? So in these 4 conditions we have nearly, 3 conditions, we have nearly 6 pairs, right? That is IV, IX, XL, XC and CD and CM. So we are just going to replace these pairs with these values, with this dictionary values. Okay, let's see how we can make it. So first condition is when I is before V. Okay, so S is going to be our string, right? So we are just going to rewrite our string by replacing IV with 4 i's, which is equal to 4, right? When it is IV, then it is equal to 4, right? So we are just going to replace this one. And next condition is when S dot replace, and what we are going to replace, we are going to replace IX, which is 9, right? So we can say it as 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So it is also 9, right? When it is V is 5 and another 4 ones, then it is 9. So next one it is for X, right? So yes dot replace. What we are going to replace? First one it is X and L, right? When it is XL, X is placed before 50, sorry, before L, right? Then it is going to be 40, right? So how we can define 40? We can define 40 with X, right? When it is 4X, then it is going to be 40. And next one it is S dot replace. Next one what we are going to define? We are just going to define XC, right? We are just going to define XC. XC is nothing but 90, right? Right. So we are just going to rewrite this 90 as 50. For 50 we have L, right? And for the other things, for 90 we have, for remaining 40 we are going to use 4x, okay. And next one we are just going to replace the third one, that is when C is placed before D, right? So we are just going to replace when C is placed before D, then it is going to be 400, right? Then it is going to be 400, right? So how we can write the 400? Absolutely right. C is 100. So if we write 4 C's, then it is going to be 400, right? It is 4C, right? Then it is going to be 400. And next one, it is S dot replace when C is before M, then it is 900, right? When C is before M, then it is going to be 900. So for 500 we have D, right? 500 we have D. For remaining 400, what we are going to use? We are going to use C, right? So it is 900. So we are just going to replace our string with these letters, okay? And after that, what we are going to do? We are just going to have a variable to store our result value, okay? And then we are just going to iterate through our strings. So for let's say character in our string S, okay? So we are just going to take the character from our dictionary, because these are the characters we are going to have, right? So we are just going to take the values of these characters and we are just going to add it to our result, okay? So result plus equal to our dictionary is num, and we are just going to take the value of that character from our dictionary. Once it is done, we are just going to return the result, which is nothing but an integer number, right? Okay, I think it will work. Let us run once. It is giving wrong answer for case 3. Why it is giving a wrong answer? Yes, it is. This is right. When it is 4, it is 4. When it is 9, it is 9. When it is XL, then it is going to be 40. When it is XC, then it is going to be 90, 50 plus 40. And when it is CD, it is 500, right? It is 500. Sorry, it is 400. Yes, C is 100, so it will be 400. And when it is CM, then it is DCC. D is for 500 and 400, right? Yes. The output given is 1094, but the output expected is 1994. It is missing 900. I don't know where it is. Let's check whether it is missing 900. It is 900, right? It is replacing. Yes, for M I have given, for M I have given only 100, so I need to move it to 1000, right? So now it will work out, I think. Yes, the test cases are accepted, and I'm just going to submit the code, and it is getting submitted, right? And yes, we are getting the solutions with which is executed in 32 milliseconds. Okay. Yes. So this is how we can solve this problem, and anyway, we'll see in another problem in next episode. Okay. Bye bye, friends.